to create content that goes viral. If there's nothing I know, it is how to make a content go viral. Because most of my content have really gone viral, and the content that I create for like my clients as a social media manager have gone viral. So if there's nothing I know that going viral is not by mistake. It involves a strategy, and that is exactly what I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. So if you want to learn how to create the kind of content that will go viral, not just to like go viral, but get in front of the right people, like you want your content to get in front of the right audience and then blows up, like being viewed, watched, engaged by the right audience, then you're watching the right video. I'm going to be sharing with you all the strategies you need to apply to be able to like create a content that will go viral. If this is what you're interested in, make sure to watch this video to the very end so you can know how to go about it. So what makes a content go viral? Is it luck, is it strategy, or is it a bit of like the two of them? We are going to find out at the end of this video, so make sure to watch this video to the very end. So let's quickly dive in into the strategies that will help make your content go viral. If you want your content to go viral, the first thing you have to do is to understand your audience. There are these people that you want them to see your content. Like for your content to go viral, there are this specific set of people that that content has to resonate with, and you need to know these people. And how you're going to know these people is by knowing their interests, knowing what they struggle with, and knowing what kind of content makes them engage. Like if you check on social media right now, they have different kinds of content. They have engaging content, they have educational content, they have like promotional content. So maybe your target audience are the people that are interested in engaging content. They are like after things that are going to like make them laugh, that will make them relate to it. So it's very important for you to know your target audience. When you know it, you can now be on your way to actually trying to attract them. That brings us to number two, leveraging relatability and emotions. For your content to go viral, people have to like legit feel an emotion from your content. Like I said before, there are some content that if you're watching it is going to crack you up. Some content that would piss you off. You'll be so angry. You'll be like, who is this poster? Who is this person that created this content? Like, who is this people in this video? There are some content that will make you happy. There are some content that will educate you and become very insightful to you to a point that you even want to save it. So for your content to go viral, you have to be able to like use emotions and make it very relatable. The more relatable your content is, the more people are going to love it. That is exactly why you see so many content blow up. If it ask me, you can research all the content that have blown up in a couple of days now, and you're going to realize that the reason why it's doing so well is because so many people can relate to it. So if you want your content to blow up, you have to make it relatable and you have to add an emotion to it. For example, the content that went viral recently is the side I include. People found it hilarious, very funny and relatable, and that is exactly why it went viral. So if you want your content to go viral, you have to like leverage emotions and make it relatable. The more people relate to it, the more people are going to like share it to their friends and they believe that it will relate to, and also like comment and save, you know. Now the third strategy you have to keep in mind is to create a valuable content. There's no way your content will go viral if it's not valuable. Like I remember when I started creating content as a social media manager, like when I before I even eventually became a social media manager, when I was just trying to transition, because then I was still doing my small business, but I was gradually like learning how to like create content for my small business. So basically, I remember me sharing some kind of content, and I was like, oh, why is this content not going viral? Why are people not engaging? Why are people not liking? Only for me to look back right now, maybe 4 or 5 years after, and I'm like, what is this? How is someone going to find this valuable? There was no content, there was no value. It was just me ranting and saying a whole lot of like uninteresting stuff. But back then, I was really hoping that people are going to find it valuable. So if you want your content to go viral, you have to start sharing value. And when I say value, there are some content, as I said before, educational content. This is when you're sharing like how to guide things that are going to help people like achieve or solve a problem. You can also share like content that involves all the short form videos, reels, like something relatable, something funny. And you can also share infographics, memes. And a lot of people love memes. Like the way they're always reposting memes. I know so many creators that what they tweet about a lot is memes, and people repost it as a video, as a text, even on WhatsApp status. Like it goes viral beyond that particular social platform. Like you even get to see them on WhatsApp. So if you want your content to go that viral, you have to do something like that. Example of a valuable content that went viral is the ice bucket challenge. People found it easy to do, to participate, and that is exactly why it was able to go viral. So if you want your content to go viral, you have to be able to like share something valuable, share something that is also enticing. That brings us to number four. If nobody have told you that there is no way your content, no matter how valuable your content is, if it doesn't have a strong hook, nobody is going to even view it to start with. Except from your grandma and your family people you get, maybe people that just want to like give you that morale boost, right? If you want your content to go viral, it doesn't end in creating valuable content. You need to know how to like structure it. Your hook is the first sentence that people are going to see in your content. That will even make them want to like click and say, okay, let me watch this video and see what this guy has to say or to see what this girl has to say. So that hook is very important. It's so much more important because no matter how valuable your content is, if you don't have a captivating hook, people are not going to click on it. For example, instead of saying this is the best recipe of making a pancake, you can say this 5 minutes pancake hack will change your morning forever. Did you see how captivating this sounds? When somebody says it, 5 minutes pancake hack, oh my god, let me check this out. Who knows? This is going to like really change my mornings forever. Instead of the previous hook that I just mentioned. So regardless of how valuable your content is, your hook has to like be catchy. It has to be screw stopping. It has to be something that once someone says, they'll be like, okay, let me check this out. Wait a minute, or they will save it and come back to it later. That brings us to the next one, which is write trends and hashtags. The easiest way to actually go viral is to leverage trends. Like, when something is trending, a particular video is trending, and you go ahead and recreate it in such a way that it will resonate with your audience, you can be able to blow up. And you might even blow up more than the first person that created that video. Do you get me? Let me give you an instance. It's that audio from Lion King. No, not Lion King, Mufasa. My brother. I've always wanted a brother. You know that trend, right? Now a lot of people are jumping on that trend, and that trend have blown up a lot of accounts. If you doubt me, go check it out. Both small creators are getting visibility, are getting thousands and millions of views because that is what is trending, and I think it's still trending up to this very moment. So if you jump on that kind of trend and you make the trend relate to what you do, because the people I've seen that are jumping on the trend, I saw some like lifestyle people, creating the trend based off like their own brother. Like they're just trying to say that they don't joke with their brother. Some women also like showing off their younger brothers, where they got their brothers back and all of that. Then it eventually resonated with their audience and it blew up. Some has thousands and millions of views, which brought them lots of followers and engagement. And this is exactly what you want. So if you want your content to go viral, you have to be ready to jump on trends. And when I say trendy challenges, it doesn't end with trendy challenges. Jump on trendy sounds, use the right hashtags, because another way to actually go viral is when you use a trendy hashtags. There are hashtags that people are searching for. When something is trending and people are searching for a particular hashtag so that they can get access to like the videos under that hashtag. If you use that hashtag and it's relevant to your niche and what you do, when people are searching for it, they are definitely going to find your video. And if they find it helpful, they are going to watch to the end and follow you. So this is exactly how you can actually like get yourself seen by people that won't on a regular day maybe find your account if you're not promoting it. So leverage trends, leverage trendy audios, leverage hashtags. Another one I would add is to leverage keywords. If you want your content to actually blow up, you have to be ready to hop on trendy sounds. My advice is that don't hop on a trendy sound or publish the video when the trend have actually come down and something else is trending. Make sure that you hop on a trendy sound when it's really hot. When that jollof rice is smoky and hot, that is when you should hop on it. And when you hop on it, make sure to publish the video then, and then you are going to like blow up along the trendy sound or trendy challenge. The next strategy that can help you go viral is encouraging engagement and sharing. Sharing and engagement is one of like the most reliable ways for you to go viral. If people are sharing your content and engaging with your content, it is going to signal the algorithm that people love this content. So they will end up pushing it out to more people. And the more they push it out to more people and those people are engaging and sharing, they push it out to another set of people. And that is exactly how going viral happens. So if you want to actually go viral, you have to like encourage engagement and strategy. What do I mean? When you make a post, your call to action should always encourage engagement. Something like share this to your friend that you believe is going to love this. Share this to someone that is going to find this helpful. All those little call to actions is what will instruct people to actually take action. Because if you don't tell people what to do, they will do nothing. It doesn't mean that they don't want to support you, but if you don't tell them exactly what you want them to do, they will do nothing. The same way, if you want followers and you're just publishing your content without telling people, oh, if you find it helpful, kindly like, follow me for more, and all of that stuff, they won't do nothing. They will just take the value and leave. But if you tell them, if you find this helpful, kindly like, comment, and follow me for more, they're definitely going to do that because it's not going to cost them nothing. It's just like a few seconds and they are done with it. Then imagine 10 people doing that for you under your content. You are definitely going viral. So that is actually one of the strategies that have worked for me so far. I never publish a content without a call to action, and you too, you shouldn't. Example of content that encourages people to engage and share is Spotify Wrap. You guys remember each time the year is about to end and Spotify releases their yearly wrap, sharing and telling people like the music they listen to the most, their favorite artists and all of that. Then encouraging people to actually share it. Like if you get to see yours, you will see the options of like share with your friends, share on this social platform and all of that. They are encouraging engagement and sharing, and that is exactly why you were able to share. If it wasn't there in the first place, you wouldn't think of sharing. So if you want to go viral, you have to encourage conversation, engagement, and also people sharing your content, because the more they are talking about it, the more it's blowing up. If I tell this person is going to tell that person is going to tell that person, and that is exactly how it happens. So if there's nothing you're doing on social media right now to actually like blow up your content, make sure you encourage people to engage and share. It will give you so much value that you will not believe the outcome. Now let's talk about number 7. The number 7 strategy you need is to be posting at optimal times. Optimal times means posting at the right time. For you to grow on social media, even if you don't want to go viral, but you want your content to actually perform well, you have to be posting at the right time. The reason why is that if you post when your audience, like your followers, are online, since they are already online and you just publish right then, it will make it easier for them to see your content and actually engage with it. Like the first few seconds or minutes of you publishing your content, if you get like 50 engagements, your content is going to like blow up even more. If you get 5 engagements, it's not going to blow up as much as like getting 50 engagements. So imagine that you posted when maybe 80% of your followers are online. Once they are online and they see your content, they're just going to be like, oh, this person posted, let me check it out. And they will eventually engage with your content. So the more they are engaging, the algorithm will be like, okay, this content is good, let's show it to more people. And they will show it to more people, and those more people like we engage again, and the algorithm will be like, okay, they love this content, let's keep going. They will show it to more people, and that is exactly how your post starts, doing well, and it eventually blows up. Now the question is, how do you know the right time to post so that your followers are going to see your content and engage with your content, right? I see so many people saying, oh, post by this time. I want to tell you the truth. Everybody's posting time is not the same. There are people in the US, different time zone, people in Nigeria, people in South Africa. So if you tell someone that you have to post on Instagram from 9 a.m. to like 12 p.m., that is when people are online. What if they're in Canada and their 9 a.m. is like when Nigeria people are in the afternoon? Do you get? Like, I don't think it doesn't work that way. So I'm going to legit tell you the truth. If you want to know your optimal time, you have to check your analytics. Go to Instagram. If you're using Instagram, Instagram actually like give an option for you to see when your followers are viewing your content the most and when they are like most active. If you go to your insights, you are going to like click on followers, and then you go down. Anyways, you just go down, and then you're going to like see it. But I don't know how to go in depth right now. So if you want me to like go in depth to show you how to find out when your followers are most active on Instagram and on TikTok, you can let me know so I can create a video about it. But the point is that once you have checked your analytics, you can now be able to like know. And then once you know, you can now decide to be posting your content. And I even think that is when those advice of like, oh, post by 9 a.m. till 12 p.m. on this certain platform, that is when it will become relevant because you have seen your own time. So you can now like judge it with it. From what I already know, on Instagram and Facebook, posting 9 to 6 p.m. always works really well. On TikTok, 12 to 3 p.m. really works. Like people are always online and actually engaging and watching videos. You can also like to try again by 7 to 11 p.m. because so many people sleep on TikTok. I'm not even kidding you. People can be on TikTok till like 12 p.m. But like you can actually post your content from 7 p.m. to 11 p.m. in the evening. And if you're using X, you can actually post your content from 8 to 10 a.m. and also from 6 to 9 p.m. The next strategy is to optimize for each platform. If you're using Instagram, you have to focus on reels and carousels. These two are actually performing well. Like they have the most engagement. People are swiping through carousels more than ever and also watching reels, short form videos, even long form reels are now performing well as far as you have a trendy audio on it and you're providing value. If you're using TikTok, you have to leverage trendy sounds, short clips, and also use the right hashtag and keyword. You already know on TikTok, any content that you want to create, go ahead and use the search bar to search for your topic. Once you search for the topic there, you're going to see that other people have searched for it. Copy out those phrases that was listed alongside what you typed in and make sure to add it in your video. Those phrases are your keywords. And when you use it on TikTok, it is going to help increase your visibility. In fact, it is going to help TikTok categorize your content faster. And that is exactly how you can easily get seen by the right people. So make sure to use this tactic that I just shared with you. This is LinkedIn. You have to leverage reels, videos, carousels. You guys, if you have not been on LinkedIn in the past how many years, oh my god, LinkedIn have changed so much. LinkedIn actually like encourages videos. Videos are blowing up like this. On on LinkedIn, so you can actually decide to become a creator on LinkedIn. If you're a video person now, LinkedIn have changed so much. So if you're a Twitter person, you can take advantage of trends, shareable tweets, and something that is very relatable. That is exactly how you can go viral on any of these platforms. Then let's not forget about YouTube. If you want to blow up on YouTube, you have to actually like take advantage of thumbnails, long form videos and shorts. Also use trendy audios because all these audios that are trending on Instagram, TikTok are always coming over to YouTube Shorts right now. So you can also leverage them, use your keywords, use your hashtag, and then you can blow up on YouTube as well. Let's talk about collaborating with other creators or influencers. This is where people are actually sleeping on. If there's someone that wants your content to go viral, one of the easiest way to do it is through collaboration. When you collaborate with other creators, do you know that their followers are going to get to see you because you're collaborating with them? And if they see you, they're definitely going to check you out, which is exactly what you want. One thing about collaboration is that you have to collaborate with someone that is actually doing what you are doing, or their audience can actually be interested in what you are doing. Let's say, for an instance, you are a brand that sells medical testing, labs, you do labs and stuff. You can be able to like collaborate with a doctor who is an influencer so that they can recommend your product to their audience. Anyone that is audience of a doctor is definitely going to like want to take recommendation from that doctor when it comes to like running a test to make sure that they are healthy. So when you're collaborating with creators and influencers, make sure that that influencer or creator actually like has something to do with what you do. Because where people get collaboration wrong is like when someone that is a lifestyle creator is going to like collaborate with someone that is in agriculture, things that are so freaking different. Like, how does it even work? Do you get their audience is obviously not going to be interested in what you do? So make sure to collaborate with people that your audience are definitely going to be interested in what you do. Then finally, if you want your content to go viral, you have to be able to start tracking your performance and make sure you improve. Now, this is exactly where people beat it on social media. They keep posting, 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 and then hoping that they are just going to like start succeeding, start seeing engagement, start growing. But it doesn't work like that. There's a reason why on social media there's something called analytics and insights. This is where you're going to see the result of what you have been doing in the past days, weeks, months. Now, creating content and actually posting on social media without checking this analytics is just like throwing spaghetti on the wall. And this is what you don't want. You have to like make sure that you are checking if your audience even loves the type of content that you're posting. Like recently, I was watching a video on TikTok, and one girl, she was like, "You can't believe that she posted this video and it did not like gain any traction, no much comments. Like it was just like between 500 views." And then she decided to like check her analytics, and she realized that people did not really like it, and she was wondering why that video is not performing well, and she decided to like make some correction. The previous video was actually lengthy, it was not direct to the point, so she decided to go straight to the point instead of like beating around the bush. And guess what, when she posted this content after making these corrections, the content blew up, thousands of views, followers, shares, likes, what have you. And she was like, she was so shocked, and she was like that she knew it, like this content was supposed to be amazing, but if she didn't check her analytics, there was no way she would have found out. So one of the reasons why we are not blowing up on social media and going viral is because whatever we post, we believe that, oh, if it doesn't perform well, that means the content is bad. No, it could actually be the hook. It could be that you didn't use a trendy sound. It could be that maybe you would have used a voiceover. You can try out different things. A voiceover could actually be what would make it stick with your audience. And the more you check your analytics, the more you know, the more you tell where you are making a mistake and where you need to fix. Like your audience are giving you feedback that, oh, we don't like this, oh, we like that. When you see a content that your audience really like, they're engaging more, give them more of that content. Just give it to them because they are going to still devour it, and your content is going to keep going viral. That brings us to the end of this video. So if you really want to go viral, I know that this video is going to like make it possible for you because now you know the strategies that you need to apply to be able to like start going viral. So what makes content go viral? Is it luck? Is it strategy, or a mix of both? This is my 2 cents on this. I don't believe that any content goes viral by luck. You guys can let me know what you think about this in the comments below. So finally, we have come to the end of this video, and I am so freaking excited. Guys, this video is so long. I shared with you guys 10 points, 10 strategies that are going to help you. And if you know you found this video helpful, kindly kindly please subscribe right now and turn on the post notification so you can also be notified whenever I make any helpful post concerning how to grow on social media. Because you guys already know I talk about everything social media, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, literally everything social media. And if you're interested in growing on social media, kindly check out my other videos and make sure to subscribe, turn on post notification so you'll be notified whenever there's a new helpful post just for you. With that being said, I would love to see you in my next video. Bye.